And well, today I have its other model, the Gigaware HD Radio Receiver, model 12-645. Got this on eBay for about $15. And it's supposed to do pretty much the exact same thing, although, as you can see, there's no cables underneath. It's just really its own thing. So today I'm going to try this out and see if it's better than the other one. And so here's the device itself. It's an FCC logo, an HD radio logo, made in China of course, and it's pretty much the 30-pin dock connector here, a tag button here so I could send it to iTunes, and then on the bottom here you just have a headphone jack, because that's where you actually have to plug it into, as the headphones are being used as the antennas for the device. So it's where the headphones have to go to receive radio signals. And this is FM only. There's no AM on this one or the other one that I showed last week. And one of the reasons why you actually have to use this headphone jack is because it's blocked by the device. I think it would be right here is where the headphone jack is, and you can see it's really blocked. Not sure if I could get a focus on it or not, but that's where it is. So you have to use this headphone jack on this device. Alrighty, I have it plugged into my boombox. I might have to move the wire here to get signal, but I'm gonna go right into the HD radio app, which is what it has to use, and let's see if we get better reception with this device. Let's go to 94.7. See, I might have to oops, hold on a second. A notification. Stop it. Close that. Open that. And there we go. It could be the cable that we are using, so I might have to switch the headphones because I don't think it's working properly. So give me just a moment. Alrighty, so I'm starting to get radio signals. I kind of had to unplug this and plug it back in and use my headphones to use it, but I am hearing the analog station, even though it's trying to detect the HD signal, as you can see. So let me go to a different station. Let's go to 94.7. See, it's detecting it's HD, and it recognized the call letters. It is WLS. I'm in the Chicago market. So let's go to see, this comes up as HD, but my other radios won't even pick it up as HD. That's kind of weird. And this is an iHeartMedia station, by the way. So let's go to 97.1 WDRV. This picks it up perfectly. Will it detect an HD signal? It does. And the tag button also lights up. It lost signal. It came back. Let's go to 99.5. This is a country music station owned by Intercom. So it is coming in as HD. And the Wolf, which is the future country station on HD2, it does come in, so that works. Let's go to WSHE. I think they went FM only, which is why it's not detecting HD, but I'm pretty sure it is HD. Let's go to 1011. Here is WKQX. Let's see if their HD2 signal comes in, which is the loop. And it is coming in. That is awesome. So that comes in. Let's go to 1035. It's sounding a little scratchy, but it could be the receiver. Let's go to 1039. It comes in as analog. It sounds scratchy. .1043 comes in HD. There it goes. I think this is 670 the score on this channel, but it does come in. Go to 1055. This is just a regular analog station, and it does come in. Here's News Radio 780 and 105.9 FM, which is WKSC in FM, WBBM AM. The EDM channel does come in, so that's good. .1075 GCI is coming in, but I think it's still trying to detect the HD signal. .92.3. It does come in HD. Digital signal does come in. .93.1 WXRT. Let's switch to digital. HD signal comes in. Here's WLS. It does detect it as HD, but it's not coming in as HD. Now, it came in as Big 95.5 earlier, but then it just didn't work afterwards. But you guys get the point. So what do I have to say about the Gigaware 12-645 HD radio receiver for the iPod Touch or iPhone 3G? Well, I think this is a really good device. I was able to get some stations to detect HD radio signals while my other radios could not. And that's a big plus for me. A lot of the negative reviews have to do with the application, mainly because it's really buggy or it's not really easy to use. But it takes some time to get used to once you start messing around with it, which is what I like to do. And I don't think this is a bad device. I could really use less of the volume controls or the seek controls, as that's what the iPod is for, to seek everything. So I think this is a plus in my book.